What is a vowel? Let's get ready to learn together. A vowel is a letter that represents the sound of an A, E, I, O or U. Examples: cat, met, hit, dog, and hug. The letter Y can be a vowel only if it creates an A, E, I, O, or U sound. Examples: fry, try, cry, and dry. The opposite of a vowel is a consonant. A vowel that makes a unique vowel sound is a syllable. A vowel that is silent or doesn't make a unique vowel sound is not a syllable. Examples: kite, bite, light, fire, and ate. Vowels examples. All vowels are highlighted below, in red. Free, eat, eating, bio, fire, cake, and cheese. Thanks for watching our video.